So the third recipe is my super or simple milk cake recipe. So for this recipe, I used powdered milk and I used the Hollandia full cream milk powder. So it's possible to bake with powdered milk. So if you're a baker and you want to bake this recipe, make sure you look out for this Hollandia full cream milk powder. So for this recipe, you need 8 teaspoons of powdered milk. So, okay, if you want to form 1 cup of whole milk and you have the Hollandia full cream powdered milk, all you need to do, use 1 cup of water, then you add 4 tablespoons, 3 or 4, but I prefer 4 because you want to make it rich, and this is milk cake recipe, so it's meant to be milky. So I'm going to form my 1 cup of whole milk. So if I want to form 1 cup of whole milk with the powdered milk, all I need is 1 cup of room temperature water mixed together with 4 tablespoons of Hollandia powdered milk. So no excuses. If you can't buy the UHT milk, this one is very affordable. You can always buy it and also use it. So now this is my whole milk. I'm going to give it a stir for it to blend well. So now this is my 1 cup of whole milk. So but for this recipe, we need 2 cups of whole milk. So I'm going to do this again. I'm going to add another cup. So now we are using 2 cups of water with 8 tablespoons of powdered milk. Hollandia full cream powdered milk. So I'm going to add more 4 tablespoons. So I'm going to round down the recipe. So for this recipe, you need 8 tablespoons of Hollandia full cream powdered milk. Then you need 2 cups of water. You need 4 cups of flour. You need 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. You need 4 eggs, 1.5 cups of sugar, then 1 cup of oil, then 1 teaspoon of super milk flavor extract. this recipe calls for 8 tablespoons of Hollandia full cream powdered milk, 2 cups of water, 4 cups of flour, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 4 eggs, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of oil, and 1 teaspoon of super milk flavor extract. So I'm using Austin and Marcel super milk flavor extract. So now I'm going to pour in my homemade whole milk. Then I'm adding my 1.5 cups of sugar into the milk. So this is my super milk flavor extract. I'm adding 1 tablespoon. No, sorry, 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to add 1 cup of oil. So yeah, I'll have to stir it so that the sugar will dissolve.
Question.
So it's time for me to add my flour and baking powder. So you add it last. So for this recipe, you can also use your mixer or your hand whisk. So now our cake batter is ready, as you can see. So this is my simple milk cake recipe. So it's time for us to also pour in the batter into the pans. So I hope you understood the procedure. So we're done with this, so I will have to tap and also drag the cake batter. So it's time for us to bake. So we are done with the third recipe. So
Double milk cake is out.